Hello lovely people in YouTube world, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neo and this is my channel here at Ahhhsoneo. So I was tagged by the lovely Amaya, also known as Amaya at home on IG, to do the wishlist 2019 tag list, and I'm jumping in on the fun. I did a luxury items wishlist tag list last year, so I'm really happy to do it again. So watch on if you would like to know what I'm going to pick up in 2019. Also, if you'd like to know how I did with the items that were on my wish list for 2018. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So good to see you guys again. It is 2018. It is 2019, people. See, still working on getting that inside of my head because clearly I'm not quite there yet. So welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed your holidays, whichever ways you celebrated them. And I hope you are ready for 2019 because it is here. Oh, I'm not ready. So I have thought about some of the things I would like to pick up in 2019. So we will be going over today over my wish list. Luxury items what I'd like to pick up this year. But before I jump into that, I want to kind of go back over 2018 wish list, and I will link that video down below. So I really like doing a wish list or vision board. I kind of think it keeps me focused on picking up the items I would like to pick up, but I feel like sometimes people don't go back, right? If you don't do wish lists, if you don't do vision boards, then you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Why are these videos showing up on my feed? Who cares? And I think part of that is because we don't see how people did, right? You don't see if it worked for them or not. So I thought today, before I jump into what I'm interested in for 2019, I go back a little bit about, well, what did I get for 2018? And yeah. So, but before I get started on that, I wanted to talk about some little housekeeping. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are fantastic in every way, and thank you so much. If you've never been here before, why don't you watch a little bit more, see a little bit more of my personality, see if you like me, and then hit the subscribe button. Come back, check me out again. This video is going to go up probably my second to last or last video before I announce my giveaway winner, so you still have a shot to subscribe to my channel, to watch my giveaway video, which I will link up here and down below, and enter the giveaway. So I was celebrating because I finally hit 1K subbies. I still have that thing up there. You see it? You see it? I still have it up there. But anyway, so watch that video, guys. I really appreciate that support. And like I was saying before I got derailed by my own, yeah, that word, my own rambling. Subscribe, ding, ding, ding. I think I'll put it over here. Subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. So, Miss Amaya did a video where she's talking about her 2019 wish list with items she hopes to pick up in 2019, and she tagged me to do it. I'm more than happy to do it. I've been planning on doing it because I did do my 2018 wish list. And so let's go over that real quickly. I had a grand 2018 wish list. I am not going to lie. You name it, I had it on that list. I mean, I just threw things at the wall and wanted to see what would stick. What stuck? This did. This is my baby. I've literally dreamt about this bag since it came out in 2008. It is the Louis Vuitton watercolor aquarelle. I think the designer was somebody Prince. This is the size 35. And I also have the matching bandeau. When this came out, I put my name down on the list at my local store. And when they called me to say it was there, I totally panicked and didn't pick it up because I didn't have the money. And I said no. I've been kicking myself ever since because I wanted this bag and the resale value was ridiculous. I found this of a local lady who lives here in Phoenix, and I was able to pick it up, including the bandeau. I was blessed by Natural Luxe Diva. She told me last year this was my season for receiving. It still is, girl. And so when this came up and I found out it was for sale, I didn't think twice. Alright. The second thing that was on my vision board for 2018 that I manifested is this. It is a Louis Vuitton Nice BB. I've been wanting this for so long. I was looking for this on the secondhand market. I kept looking for this. Secondhand market, they sell the same price as new, so I ended up just going new. I just got tired of waiting for it, you know. Luckily, it's a piece that's very easily, readily available, so I didn't have, once I was like, okay, I'm getting it, then I just got it. It wasn't a big issue. It was just calling my sales associate up and saying, hey, do you have that bag? She said, yes, I got it. So that is the second thing. The few other things that I had on my list, I did not pick up. And I will say for this for myself, there's one reason only I didn't pick them up. Well, there's two. Some of the things I decided I didn't want, or I didn't want at that time. I was in no rush to get them. And I also lost focus. Yeah, but it kind of ties into the first reason on why I didn't buy the bags that were on my list. And it was because I kind of had reached purse peace and I decided I didn't want them or didn't need them or I didn't have to have them right at that moment. So that's what happened to my 2018 wish list. Okay, so now, and I'll put a timestamp right here that now I'm going into my 2019 luxury purse and a few other things wish list. So let's get into it. Number one on my 2019 wish list is the Louis Vuitton Damier Graphite. I hope I'm saying that right. Keep all in size 45 with the long strap, the bandolier version. So I'd like to travel again, like I'm saying, and I think that's a really great travel piece. I can put that in there and it would go great with my Agenda that I also picked up last year. So I'm ready. I think it's a very versatile piece. It's not too big and too cumbersome. If I have a big bag, I just throw in more stuff in there, but I think this size is a really good size, so that's definitely on my wish list. Number two on my wish list is another Louis Vuitton piece, and it will be, well, there's two of them, but I think these two tie in together. So it's monogram pieces, and it will be the Speedy 25, not with the strap. You guys know I like my handheld bags, and a matching card case for it. Now these things I've been thinking about for a minute, but I really can't decide on the color combination, on the letters I want. Do I want my initials? Do I want my name? Do I want numbers so that I can try to retain a resale value? Probably would never sell it, so I don't even know why I consider that. But there's so many configurations you can come up with, so until I really narrow it down and focus on those colors and everything, that's just gonna kind of be out there. Well, no, there's a new bag out. It's called the Lucky BB. And I really like this. I talked about it last year on my Instagram. I had a picture that I cut out of a magazine and I was like, boom, there it is. Cut things out of magazines, guys. Trust me on that one. If you just pull it out, stick it on a wall somewhere, it will come to you. Anyway, so, but I also ripped out this picture of a Lucky BB in Epi, and I had put it on my Instagram, and I'm thinking about it. I definitely think I want to get it, but I'm in no rush. I'm in no rush. There'll always be a handbag. Honestly, that's how I feel about makeup. It's how I feel about a lot of things. There'll always be more. So there's no need to get anxious, basically. I'll have it. So that's third. So now the fourth and final thing, because I'm getting carried away with Louis Vuitton, but the fourth and final thing on my Louis Vuitton wish list for 2019 is this bandeau here. And everybody's calling it the piggy bandeau, but I think it's the Chinese horoscope. I think it's the year of the pig, right? So I think that's why everybody's calling it the piggy bandeau. I'll try to find a picture again, most probably from Instagram, because I don't have one yet and it's not up on the website yet. But that's definitely, I'm picking that up. Trust me, I'm picking that up. Watch this space. Yeah, okay, so that's it for Louis Vuitton. For Hermes, because I'm going to end up with an orange bag. I don't know where, I don't know how, I don't know how, who, whatever. But I am going to end up with this bag. A crossover from 2018 is the Garden Party. The smallest size, the 30. I can't decide on a leather. I'm doing my research. What is a good leather for this type of a bag? I know which color I want, either orange, the orange Hermes color, or the blue jean. That is it. Those are the only two colors I'm interested in. The size 30, and like I said, of course, a leather. I think this bag is a better fit for me. It's a tote. It has a long enough drop where I can put it over my shoulder because, hey, skinny arms. But also carry it in the handheld fashion, like either in the crook of my elbow or like this, which is my preference for carrying bags. And then you can snap the sides shut so that it's smaller. And even with my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, I like to carry it cinched in so that it's smaller. And I have the PM, so it's not even that big. But yeah, I'm going through this smaller phase, a structured handbag phase, so I think that would be a good fit. So once I'm done with my research, I'll definitely pick one of those up. Also within the Hermes world, but moving away from bags, are two things. I would love a click-clack this year. 2019 is definitely the year I'm going to pick up one of these Hermes click-clacks, and I'm going to hope to just keep it down to one. Watch this space. I would also, again, in Hermes world, love to pick up their serving dishes, their coffee cups, their what do you call it? Dinnerware. There's two particular styles that I like, both of who I don't know the official names, and I will look it up. I should have looked it up before I started filming. But one is the silver Greek key, and I'll show an example here. And I am pretty sure that Miss Amaya has already picked up one of these plates, and girl, I'm going to get one of those, trust me. And then for the tea set or the coffee set, I love what I think is called Faubourg. I'm probably killing it, but it's the red, like this. And I think those are stunning, absolutely stunning little teacups, tea sets, and yes, I drink, so they is tea. But I will be buying that set as well. That is on my wish list for 2019. Okay, so what have I done? I did Louis Vuitton, I did Hermes, Chanel. Chanel distracts me because I like Chanel shoes. Oh. And I like Chanel SLGs, like the card cases and stuff. Do you know how hard it is to walk away from those? And I want a Chanel boy bag. I want this bag. I will get one. I'm putting it back on my wish list for 2019. No minis, none of that stuff. Chanel boy bag, definitely on the wish list for 2019. I'm torn between gray or a very dark green. Must be caviar leather, although I will admit to being open to lambskin because my mini is doing pretty good. You know, my lambskin mini, it's actually doing pretty good. So yeah, maybe lambskin isn't as much of a devil as I thought it was, so we'll stick around, we'll consider it. But yes, so another crossover for from 2018 is the Chanel boy bag. I would like another pair of Chanel ballet flats. I hope you watched my unboxing. I just got a pair last year to replace my other really bad pair. So I'll link both those videos down below. I do have a call in to my SAS Saks. There's another pair I'm thinking about getting. I haven't decided yet. You know, the year just started, people. The year just started. So, but that's on there. And so that was the ballet flats, the Chanel mules with the little pearl on the bottom. I love those. I love those. I love those. I try them on every time I go to Saks, but there's something in my mind that is telling me to not buy a $900 pair of shoes. I've never spent that much on a pair of shoes, and they will just have to go on sale, but there's nothing wrong with putting them on my vision board, right? So, either like a Chloe Faye bag or the Saint Laurent college bag, or the Gucci Marmont bag, a little small one. Those ones are, those are more like my distraction items because they're lower price points. You can pick them up all three for less than $1,500 on the pre-love market. So that's more like a, if I suddenly get an itch to buy something but I can't afford these bigger things, then I would just get one of those. So I don't know, it's like here's my wish list and then here's option B. But option B tends to distract me, so I'm not gonna do that this year. I'm gonna try. Also in option B, of course, is like random pairs of Louboutins, because who doesn't want a pair of Louboutins? That is it. That is my 2019 wish list. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks Amaya for tagging me to do this video. I know that Miss Kim from Windfire69, so she's tagged, although I believe she's already done it. Okay. I'm Lux. I'd love to see what's on your 2019 wish list, because I know you're going to throw something different out here. A lady from Boston, of course. I'd like to see what you're picking up in 2019. My beloved friend, Deborah from Lux TV, because it's going to be fab, and her video is probably going to have a genie shining a bottle, and poof, here comes her wish list. She's that creative, guys. She's amazing. Angie, hi. She's a more newer YouTube friend. I hope I said your name right. I'd love to tag you to do this video. Also, when you get tired of that Givenchy Antigona, pass it on this way. See, that's another bag that's on the B list. Antigona. I love that bag. Not enough to buy one, but I love that bag. And also, I was going to tag one more person. I think her name is Luxury Lover, and then Luxtopia, but she changed her name, and I gotta kind of remember what your new name is. Bits in a Bag, Bits and Purses. Yeah, so I'll list everybody down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you made it this far and you are not subscribed, then you are just teasing me. I mean, really, you know you want to, so just go ahead and do it. Click, click, done. Simple. Thanks guys for watching. This is Neo of Ahhhsoneo. I love it that you watched this video. Thank you so much. If you've done your luxury wish list, let me know. I will definitely check it out. I will comment. I will like it. All of that good stuff. If you haven't already, enter my giveaway. Don't let that pass you by, guys. You have a good shot. Thank you. As always, if you're on this channel, you have to only remember one thing. Choose happiness. Every moment, every minute, every day. It's a choice. It'll make a difference in your life. You will thank yourself for it later. Thanks guys, love you.